Here at Insurance and Estates, we're often asked, what is infinite banking and how can it help me? The problem is, to fully understand what infinite banking is, one must first ignore much of what society tells us about personal finance, as well as what many life insurance agents will tell you about buying a whole life insurance policy. You see, at its core, infinite banking is a concept that allows one to use a dividend whole life insurance policy to finance other expenditures that they would typically fund using personal cash or loans from a bank. By doing so, policyholders avoid any of the unnecessary credit impact that these loans entail and avoid paying lending fees, points and closing costs, and higher rates of interest often associated with banks and other lending institutions. Sounds great, right? Well, we think so, but not everyone's going to be able to qualify. And not every life insurance agent out there has the tools or knowledge to help you utilize many of the techniques we offer here at I&E. This is why, if you're interested in learning more about how infinite banking works, or you just want to compare how these types of life insurance policies compare to a traditional term life insurance policy, just give us a call. We'd be more than happy to go over all of your insurance options with you and answer any questions you may have.